A mortgage loan is actually one of the coolest tools that the everyday American can use to achieve some really awesome dreams. So I'll tell you what, I've been to a lot of closings over the last couple of decades. And the funny thing is, I've always laughed to myself because I've thought, you know what, in the end, nobody really wants a mortgage. So I'm helping people get something they don't want. So I don't know, the irony is not lost on me just a little bit, but that's just looking at it through a little bit narrow view. The mortgage is a tool to actually help you get what you want. So that dream of home ownership, that neighborhood where you're walking out the door in the morning and you see the sun coming over the mountains and you're saying hello to your neighbors, you're tucking your kids in bed at night, you're throwing the football in the backyard, you're creating all these memories. Well, yeah, that's what you're after in the end. And the mortgage is a great tool to get there because guess what? The United States is one of the few countries in the world that has the 30-year fixed mortgage. And this mortgage has allowed home ownership for generations now. And that home ownership has built wealth, it's created dreams, it's provided memories. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. So now when I go to a closing, I just think how happy the people are that they're getting that dream. Now, the other side of it too is a mortgage can be used as a great financial tool. I was just on the phone yesterday with a client who's looking at restructuring their mortgage. Turns out they've got a lot of equity in their home and they can use some of that equity with the tool of a mortgage to achieve some financial goals that they otherwise wouldn't be able to achieve. So that's pretty cool because think about this. You might, if you can't get a mortgage on a home, then the only thing that you'd be able to do to unlock the equity is to sell the property, right? To exchange the property for cash, but then you're out the home. So a really cool mortgage strategy can help unlock a lot of financial possibilities. So that's a really great thing too. And that can bring about a lot of freedom. So in the end, a mortgage is a great financial tool and a very unique financial tool to help everyday Americans, just like you, get what they really want.